Welcome to the full-time automation. Today I'm going to show you how to install Node.js on your Mac. So go to your Google search, type in Node.js, click on the first link. We're going to choose this version. This is the more stable one. After it downloads, click on open. Some of you will have this message. What you need to do, click OK and go to the system settings. And then go to the privacy and security. Scroll down and you will see this message here. So click on open anyway and input your password. Click on open, continue, and agree. And click on install. Again, we need to put our password. And click on OK. We're going to wait for installation. We'll take a few seconds here. Okay, awesome. So we're going to click close, move to trash. So to check if the node was installed on our Mac, what we need to do, we're going to open our terminal. So click on search, type in terminal. Here we need to type node/v. And it should give us a version of Node what's been installed on our Mac. Also, you can check by typing node, some commands. So 2 + 2, it's going to be 4. That's how you can also check if it's working on your Mac. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you in the next video.